This is our second fairy tale in English language. Today we present you a tale of the Drava. I hope you will like it. In olden days, long before wheat and rye were heard of, there was a rich fisherman. He lived in Carinthia, near the Drava river. Every day he fished from dawn till dusk. One day he asked the river, "Mother Drava, how can I repay you for your kindness?" The river replied, "Go into the world to places far away. There you will find people who bake wheat and rye bread. Bring me a lot of each." The fisherman then set off on a long journey. Finally, he arrived in a beautiful and rich land. There people ate bread, which the fisherman had never tasted before. He bought a loaf of wheat bread and a loaf of rye bread, as the Drava had ordered him. When he returned to Carinthia, he threw both loaves into the river. Then the Drava began to rise. It flooded its banks. But when the water disappeared, rye and wheat began to grow. So our ancestor got the seeds of wheat and rye and began to sow them. Since then, our kitchens have been filled with the lovely smell of baking bread.